So, guys, very good morning and welcome to one more live. And this particular question is asked by few students in last 2 to 3 days. And the question is, which programming language I should learn, Java or Python? Which programming language will help me to skyrocket my software career? So, guys, you are just comparing apple and orange. We cannot compare Java and Python. Why? Because the objective of both of these programming languages is totally different. So it's not like whether Java is good or Python is good. It purely depends upon your end goal, like what you want to achieve. What is the end goal you are looking for? Based upon that only you have to decide whether you have to go with Java or you have to go with Python. So I'll give you a few scenarios. Say, for example, we have recently taken admission into BTech Computer Science with AI ML as specialization, or you have taken BTech Computer Science with Data Science as a specialization. Then you must go with Python programming language or R language. So, if your goal is to build data science models, if your goal is to get into artificial intelligence and machine learning industry, then you learn Python. But if your goal is to build complex web applications, like say a website like ircdc.com. So if your goal is to build web applications, that to complex web applications, then Java is the answer. So the objective of both of these courses is totally different. It depends upon your end goal, like in which kind of industry you want to settle. There are few students who are confused, like they have not decided their end goal, and they say that, sir, I want to learn both. I want to learn both. Like right now, there are like a couple of students who has taken admission into my offline coaching. Means they are coming to classroom training, and they have enrolled for Java and Python. Now the biggest question is, which language to learn first? There are few students who says that, sir, I want to start with Python programming language first because Python is easy. So it's not like Python is easy, so you start with Python. I always say that you always start your career with toughest language, so that easiest language will be more easy. Python programming language will have so many inbuilt ready-made functions. So you need not to write any logic to achieve a goal. Or if you want to perform any operation, you need not to write the complex logics. You'll find so many inbuilt libraries. So my suggestion is you first start with Java, you learn Java, and after learning Java, you go with Python. If you are not clear that where you want to settle. So you cannot compare Java and Python. Again, like I'm concluding, you cannot compare Java and Python. Both have their different end goals. If your goal is to build complex web applications, then you learn Java. If your goal is to build data science applications or you want to settle in AI ML industry, then you go with Python. And if you want to learn both of these languages, Java and Python, then you first start with Java. After learning of Java, that's nothing but the core Java, you can learn Python. So one of our viewer has asked one question. Nukesh, Penaganti Lava Nukesh. He's asked one question, that is, sir, C++ with DSA is useful, sir. Nukesh, the answer for your question is C, C++, and DSA is the heart of software industry. No matter what kind of specialization you are going to take, but always remember, first begin with C language, after that learn C++. And my dear students, DSA is not a course. DSA is a concept that can be implemented either using C language or using C++ or using Java or using Python or using any other programming language. Try to understand. DSA, data structures and algorithm. Data structures and algorithm is a concept. That concept you can implement it by using any programming language. And for every student, for every beginner who is going to enter into this IT industry, they must learn basic DSA. Because see, everyone wants to learn DSA, but they are not comfortable with very basic concepts of C language like functions and pointers itself. So if you are not good at functions and pointers itself, then learning of DSA will be very, very tough for you. So, first of all, you have to master one programming language if you want to learn DSA. That is either C or C++. And the most widely used programming language for DSA is C++. Okay. So that's it in this live session, and let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments. Like if you have any such questions, then definitely I'll come online and I'll answer all of your questions. And I'm conducting these live sessions based upon the questions which are asked by parents and students. Is it clear? So every day, a number of parents and students come to me, and they'll be keep on asking so many questions. So based upon those questions, I'm thinking that I think world need those answers. So immediately the next day I'll come live, and I'm just giving answers to those questions. Hope you got some value addition from this today's live sessions, and just try to follow me on Facebook if you are watching me on Facebook, or hit that subscribe button, and hit on the bell icon if you are watching me from YouTube, and send me a connection request or follow me if you are watching me from LinkedIn. So guys, if you are a beginner, you want to start your software career journey, then whatever the questions you have related to that, please put those questions in the comment box wherever you are watching this, and definitely uh, in 1 or 2 days, like once you ask the question, and after that in 1 or 2 days I'll come to you and I'll answer all those questions. So Mr. X Rider, yes, we do have a Python full course. Like when I say Python full course, it's a Python core and Python advanced. So if you are from Rajahmundry, then you can attend our classroom training. And if you are not from Rajahmundry, and if you are looking for an online live training, then you can see the numbers I have given for online and offline both. So you can WhatsApp to those numbers about your requirements, and definitely they'll provide you the course details and the batch timings also. Hope you have enjoyed today's live session. And thank you so much, guys. Wish you all the best. See you soon with one more live session. Bye bye.